Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change graphic on Knives Out. To change graphic setting on Knives Out, first of all, open up the Knives Out game on your device and wait for it to load completely. Once you're inside this lobby screen, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then from the settings menu, click on the graphics option from the left-hand side menu. Inside graphic quality, select between smooth, balance, and HD and standard. Select the option that suits your device's performance and your preference. After selecting your desired graphic settings, you can then get back to the lobby screen, and this will then immediately apply to the game. And that's how you can easily change the graphic setting on Knives Out. Now you can enjoy your game with the best visual experience for your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.